Here on a no cool call carrier unit, looking like a CA16 3-ton 037. Fan's not coming on. Disconnect is pulled. I'm gonna take a wire off the contactor so I can, just in case I have to check it. So we're gonna check the capacitor. 45 by 5 cap. Putting my meter on microfarads. We'll put it on the Herm, and we'll stick it over here on the fan. Try to. If you look at the meter, it's at, so you can hopefully see that, 0.1. So bad cap. Fan motor's not running because the capacitor is not as bad on the fan side. We'll get this thing changed out.